Today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create amazing sample packs. So in case you're a music producer and you're looking for ways you can earn as a music producer, is to actually create your own sample pack and sell those sample packs either on Waves, on producer sources, on your own personal website, or even on Beatz. Because trust me, there's a lot of demand for sample pack, and that's a market whereby if you know how to create samples, you're definitely going to make sale. Even if your beat is not making much sales, you could actually just make sales from your sample pack. I have the loop I'm working on here, and what I'm gonna do before I play it, I just wanted to let you guys know that there's nothing new under the sun, right? So you might be like, okay, I'm not creating a kick myself, I'm not creating the snare. Trust me, everything has already been created. Almost all the sample packs you see out there, the kick they use is the kick that has already been there. It's not like they are creating the kick afresh. So you can actually use the one shot you have already to create those samples. So without too much talking, let us go right into FL Studio and see what we have here. So for me, I love creating sample packs. I love doing a collab sample pack. So most times I create sample pack with other producers, maybe a guitarist or sometimes a vocalist, and most times I collab with Iga Boy because I just love his vibe. So doing sample packs, you can decide to just do only a melody sample pack, or you could do like a drum sample pack, or there are different things in sample packs you can do. But for me, I love just doing everything. So the way I create my own sample pack is that I make a full beat. So I'm just gonna play what we have here. My little body banging. You give me some walk, baby, so free. I got a chance. You sweet like banga soup, banga soup. You give me some walk, baby, so free. I see my go pussy, I see my no pussy. I see me go pussy. Show me your go. I see my no pussy. She want to go pussy. You put it rubu. I should go pussy. All right, so you hear how everything sounds. So like I was saying, for me, I just like to create like a whole 16-bar loop, just like I'm making a beat. Then I could then split it up into the melodies, into the drums, then into the vocals, just split it out. But you can decide to only focus on the melody if that's what you want to do, or you could decide to even just focus on the drums if that's what you want to do. But for me, I just do everything, more money. Okay, so you sent me the vocals and you've heard the vocal, but I'm just gonna solo the vocals so you hear what the vocals by itself sounds like. My little body banging. You give me some walk, baby, so free. I got a chance. You sweet like banga soup. Yep, and I love the vocals, and I'm sure you guys would like to know how the vocal was mixed. You can go watch my previous videos. But if you still want to see a video on how this vocal remix, you could just drop it in the comments, and I'm gonna try to create a video in that regard. But yeah, the vocals was mixed on Logic. Then I just dragged it into FL Studio. So for the vocals, when I bring it, most times I love to take out the noise because it still comes with a lot of noise. So I just use my NS to remove the noise, then use my EQ to take out some of the low ends. Then I use the multiband to kind of do it like a radio effect. But there's this plugin I've been loving of late. So in case you just want to give it, because it's like a vocal sample, it's not a song they are dropping. So you could add a lot of effect to it to just tweak it to sound like a sample, not like an actual hook for a song. So most times I add this filter just to give you something like this. Body banging. Yeah, then for this too, I could just bring in that effect. Yeah, let's bring. I got a chance. You sweet like banga soup, banga soup. Yeah, so once you send me this, the next thing is to layer your chords, right? So for the chords, we're just having a very, very simple chord, and I'm having this chord right here. Just a very simple chord, sounds like this. I'm using Omnisphere. Yeah, and I'm using it's called Immemodium 1. I just love the chord. So with that, now with our vocals, we have this. My little body banging. You give me some walk, baby, so free. I got a chance. You sweet like banga soup, banga soup. You give me some walk, baby, so free. Yeah. Then the next thing is just the bass, and for the bass, I'm going with the trillion bass.
the Fender preset, and it sounds like this. And I've told you guys how to create amazing bass lines using octave, right? So I'm just using octave here. Yeah, so with everything you have this.
Body banging. You give me some walk, baby, softly. I got a chong, you sweet like banga soup. You give me some walk, baby, softly.
Yeah, so then for this part, just to make the loop really interesting, I added this like a groove for this part. Yeah, so just to sound like somebody's playing it, you have some taps to make the bass actually sound really realistic. Yeah, so you can see for this now, we can have this as our melody. Then I added this part, just the same thing the chord is playing. Yep, and that part you're hearing, let me just play the part right here. It's from Omnisphere. I've deleted that inside because I use a lot of Omnisphere. But yeah, this is like part of my favorite part I'm enjoying right now. I think it's called Lucius Pad. Really nice pad. Just take out some of the lows, and yeah, we have that part. So today I have this. Yeah, so this is just like a melody loop. Now you can drop this as a melody loop on like waves, or even like I said, on your own platform or wherever you want to drop it. But yeah, then the next thing is the drums. And for the drums, like I said, there's nothing new under the sun. So you have tons of one shots. You could actually use those one shots to create your own loops. So for that, I have this for my kick, just a steady kick. Then we have the conga. So for the conga, I'm using this from the One Year exclusive pack. We have these congas. Then I added I think like a hi-hat. So this hi-hat is just playing. So you can see the vibe is coming. So one thing I love doing when I create my melodies, right? I consolidate it and just add modern melodies. This echo preset, I've showed you guys this echo preset. Creating samples, you just have to be very, very creative, because if I'm just doing this as my drums, everybody can do this. There's nothing unique. Nobody wants to pick this loop when they hear it, because this is something I can do myself now. Everybody can do this. This is a basic drum groove. But adding that percussion, like what I can do is like show you guys. So yeah, with the shakers, added shakers, right? So what I can do is make a selection of all these, right? Come to my master, and I'm just gonna record what it's playing. So let's hit the record and just hit play. Sorry, hit the record right here. Just hit play. Let's go back from beginning. Yeah, so just that 2 bars. So that 2 bars is good. Then I can select that. So I can send this to my mixer and just add the modern melody effects. Modern melodies, and I'm just gonna hit on. I think I'll pick the echoes. I love the echoes. So you can see how it has given it a different groove. So I can then layer this with my drums. The drum I already have layered. So you can see it has actually given it more groove than just having that basic one that everybody can do. So I have this now. So you can hear that movement it has given it. So that's how you can just make your drum really interesting and really just stand out from the basic, right? And there are lots of preset modern melodies you could also try out. So that's just how you build your drums, from sounding basic to having something complex. So you hear this now. So when somebody hears this now, like, oh, I love this loop. I can get it, because it's not just sounding like the basic thing that we started with, right? It sounds more complex. Yeah, so let's bring it with our bass. Yep, and like, before I forget, I'm gonna be dropping when the pack is done. I'm gonna be dropping it first in the Patreon, so you definitely want to be in the Patreon, so you have access to this amazing. Trust me, this pack is amazing. This is like my first pack for 2026, so you definitely wanna be the first to get a hold of this. But so far so good. This sounds amazing. Then I think so with the melodies. Then I added like some vocal samples. We have this. So yeah, so then when you're done, you just make sure that you are mixing it well. It should sound really, really clean. And why I say it's good to make your loops like you're making a beat is because you can actually now split this into like, okay, I can decide to upload this as only the vocal samples. So in case somebody just like the vocals, I want to flip it its own way. You have access to just the vocal. Then I upload, so have the vocals as a single loop.
Body banging. Baby softly.
Then we have the drums as another loop. So I have this as our drums. Let's put everything. Yeah, so you have that as another loop. Then you also have the melody as another loop. Let's put the melodies. And you also have I could decide to just do only the drum fills as another loop. You have another one. Yeah, so in one just one of these you could have like 4 different loops which you could upload as separate loops, especially if you're selling on Waves, which in turn gives you more money. So that's just why I prefer doing creating my own loops like this. But there are other ways you could do it, like I said, just creating only the melodies. If you're good with melodies, or if you're good with drums, you could actually just create just the drums. But trust me guys, it's a very, very big market out there for people in need of amazing samples. So why not just create samples in case you're struggling to make sales on your beat, like, because the beats market is so saturated right now. So why don't you just put some energy also in focusing on producers, because people that are gonna buy your samples are gonna be producers. If you have so many producers out there now, you could make a lot of money by just creating amazing samples. So let me know whether this helped you, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, because I'm just gonna be showing you ways you can actually make money as a music producer in 2026. So if this video helped you, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on bell notification, so you definitely get notified when next I post. And thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace out.